second. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my God.
Area is 984 hectares.
Wow, it's a big
And it's fenced.
and it's all fenced.
It's all fenced.
Wow.
We have 15 species of animals. 250 species of birds.
Wow. That's a lot of animals and a lot of birds. So he's just explaining how big this place is and also what type of animals they have and also types of birds. So I'm so excited. It's around 5 p.m. in the afternoon and I'm excited. I don't know what I was going to find, but I'm in there, guys. So we're in.
Biggest animal is the giraffe.
The giraffe.
Giraffe, yes. Most of the animals we have are antelopes. The biggest in the family of antelope we have here is the eland. In the family of cats, what we have lion.
Oh, it's getting scary.
We have arrived with the lions enclosure,
Oh.
so we are all required to come out.
They will come?
We see the lions at a cross ledge. Let's come out.
Oh, okay.
They don't jump.
They can't jump?
This side.
Guys, we're going to see the lions. We are all asking if they jump. So guys, look. So let's go, come on. What are you afraid of? So this is our vehicle, guys. If you came to Africa here, this is how you ride. Very comfortable. It's very comfy, and that's the driver. How are you, Mulishani Mkwai? Yeah, so it's very comfortable, guys. Come here and see all the animals. Let's go, guys. I think this is the walkable distance we walked last time. What do you think? Yeah. Guys, we've come to see the lions here. Oh, guys, where's the lion?
Is 22 years old.
Whoa.
Lifespan for the caged lion is between 20 to 25. So this one is in the last.
So it has eaten right now?
They ate yesterday. We don't feed them every day. Skip one day in between.
Okay.
But no name?
We have names. This one is Kiara. Then there is then there is Bisa and Bemba.
Oh.
Yeah.
How can we make it look this side?
It's not easy for this one.
Really?
It's too old. It's just easy for those two there. Because those they are 12 years old.
Yes.
This one 22. Too old.
this place. Wow. So
But when they came, they were four. They came with the father, with the two cubs. So those were cubs. That one is 2 years.
okay.
Cubs by that time.
So those two they are grandchildren.
No, we got them from another area.
Guys, we just saw some lions in the den over that side. So now we are heading on to see other types of animals. So there, stay tuned. This is Southern Africa, Zambia in December. This is where we come from. So if you to come to Zambia, December, make sure you come to Croatia Hotel. And you will have an opportunity to watch this.
That one over there is a male simple antelope. There. I've seen the monkeys. They are just like a small ant. They are hiding. There's one here, one there, one there.
The monkeys?
Yeah, the monkeys. One there, the other one there.
Oh,
Like five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The warthogs there. The warthogs. Really.
Oh, there's a, what is this?
Who's crab?
So that's an antelope.
Sebo antelope.
Sebo antelope.
Sebos, when they are young, they have got the same color with females. As they grow, males turn black.
Wow.
Every black sebo is a male.
Oh, what about those?
They are sebos.
They're all sebos.
The warthog, the most happiest animal.
Guys, these are warthogs. He says the most happiest animals. Why are they happy?
They easily forget.
Oh, they easily forget where they.
Forget,
And you can also see some birds over there, guys.
you know, if you easily forget your problems, you can be happier in the same time. So this is the easily forget. 1-2 minutes time, if they are chased away by the lion, they forget.
Guys, we're still looking for animals, so hang in there. Some birds. Wow. Amazing.
Kabisa manyama na daba. Ni chabe game driver me ya kabisa na. Wasa na game driver kwa Mura kusai, na mura kwa one side. That's the wood of this house.
Oh, yeah, you saw it. Sounds easy. This is a wildebeest.
Does that
Oh my God. Just a second. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my God. It's so wild beast.
Yes.
So it's just by itself.
Yeah. Fighting among the males fighting among themselves.
thing is big?
So how do the impalas find themselves over that side, on the other side?
There are some animals on the other side.
Oh.
They don't like vibration.
Okay. Hold on a second. Right? Hi guys, these are what?
Antelope.
Impalas? Are they impalas or? Yeah, as you can see, we just found some, they look like impalas. Yeah, so let's see what's going on. You can see them, right?
Yeah.
Nicely.
Mm-hmm.
And what are they doing?
Chatting.
Perfect. Guys, look how cute this baby is. Again, we're here in Africa, guys, and we came for animal viewing, game viewing, and look at that. Interesting, guys. And there she goes. Very organic, guys. Interesting, guys. Can you see that? Hope you enjoyed. Guys, you see they're actually looking at us, and they can see, I think they can feel. So they are eating grass. They're still eating, and this is about 6 p.m. Sorry, about 6 to 7 p.m. right? Zambian time. And yeah, they are still there, and that one is still looking at us. I think it's curious. All right, guys, so hang in there.
Look at the animals.
Guys, there is another one there. I hope you can see. There she goes. She looks pretty. Hope you can enjoy. And that also looks like an antelope. We call them either impala, right? Yeah, you can see it's still eating grass. Again, this is about after 6 p.m. Yep. All right, guys, so yeah, hang in there. We are still seeing animals, and I think it can sense us because, as you can see, it's still looking at us. Okay. Hi guys, these are birds. They are called guinea fowls. We're trying to see if we, if we can capture them so you can see. They are called guinea fowls. They are wild birds.